I am applying for a job. I don't want to speak loud. I'm at a live party. And I keep coming across, I have come across this question of how do you identify yourself? I'm like, how did we get to all this kind of list? We're just a female and male. How do we get to all this? My goodness.
I have some blueberries fruits. It's actually the laptop that I have from the food trader. And it's actually evening right now. It's 5. And I'm going to start my vlog here. I have already had dinner. I want to say it was dinner. Just 3 pieces of bread and an egg. And now I'm having the blueberries because you have to have that fruit every day, right? So it's the end of October. Actually, though, today was November the 1st. Even when I was praying in the morning, I prayed for, a better and greater month of November, which it will still be. But I honestly thought that today was November, 1st of November. So yesterday, I did not take you along with me that much. I did a live yesterday of where we were. We were at a church festival family activity. And so I have some clips here I'm going to be posting later so that you all can see what happened yesterday. And then today, however, I'm trying to check off this list. I was writing it earlier. I did the call for fidelity. My goodness, they put me on hold for like 15, no, it was over 15 minutes. So what happened is 2 weeks ago, somebody, I received a fraud alert from on my phone. And somebody, your scammers out there, just stop these crazy things. Somebody purchased something with my card, did 2 transactions with my card. And so when I called, they say they're going to send me the card in like 7 to 10 business days. It's been over that. So I was calling to see if, they have mailed the card. Can you reduce the volume? And I didn't even get to the right department. They kept taking me round and round and round and round. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm going to try that again tomorrow because right now most likely they're closed because it's 5. I also did call Travelers, that's the home insurance, because I moved from the city I was and my home insurance have changed. So, and the guy I spoke to had a good customer service. I have never had any problem with Travelers insurance at all. I mean, I've never even had a time of like I needed to call them until now. Everything, the service has been moving smoothly. And so the guy's like, why is it that you didn't call us when you were moving? I'm like, guys, I don't even deal with you all that like every month or that much that I have to remember I needed to call you. I totally forgot about it until a few days ago. And I really did. I totally forgot about it. So I did call Travelers. So the other 3 things that I need to do is I need to send my tax return to a certain company that they're requesting for my tax return to prove. I also need to make some prayers for the month of November. Today. And if I get to it, I need to do a YouTube claim. YouTube gave me a strike for my main channel. I don't know why they have done this to all my channel. Even this channel right now, it had been blocked for a long time, many years, until I kept reaching out to them over and over again until it's now back up. And I lost everything that was here. So now my main channel, which deals with food only, is I can't get any income with that one. And or rather they have blocked it because of they say that I have reused content. And it's just my content, just kind of like putting it in this, this platform, and they put a little bit of the other one in the other platform. So I don't know if that's the thing that is causing that issue. I don't know. But I need to do a video, send it to them. Hopefully, oh my gosh. I'm praying that they remove that hold, because I'm not here for anybody to keep gatekeeping my businesses. This is my business, honestly. It's my job. I don't need people to be gatekeeping what I'm doing and blocking my success. No, I refuse that. I refuse that in Jesus' name. But anywho, I'm almost done with my blueberries. I love blueberries, and this one, I think the older they stay, the sweeter they become. That's just me. That's just me saying. Because they have time to ripen up a whole lot more. And they are so delicious. But anywho, I hope you guys have had a wonderful day and you are ready to go voting. Please go vote, those who are voting. Because I'm not gonna vote. And I know I have said this in a different video, but I'm not gonna repeat why. And I hope you guys had a wonderful month of October, and you are ready now for a new month of November, because we have to finish stronger than we started. Yes. Our joy must be restored before the month is over. I'm so sorry if I'm eating too fast. But sorry, excuse me. I just realized I am so sorry. It's time to replace this candle because it is finished. I tried to light it up, it wouldn't. It's all the way down. And I'm gonna see if I can find the same flavor. It's buttery pumpkin. This is, oh my goodness, it used to smell so good. I hope I can find it. I have never used this flavor before or this scent before. It's a sea salt caramel maple. Let me hope that it smells good. It smells good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Need to take this out. I rarely come down here because honestly, I don't have business here. Why is this thing removing black things? Oh my goodness, it's the vent. See? That vent right there? The things on the floor, I don't know what those are. I have to clean that up. I really come down here. And I'm just checking to see if the bathroom looks okay. I need to clean it up a little. Definitely. Oh, come on. Right, let's sit you all down. Yeah, so I need to clean up this bathroom because it's kind of like dirty. And I just like cleaning it up because we really come down here. These are extra spaces that oops, we don't use. So I like to check on the toilet, just in case it don't have that line water, so it doesn't cause the stain. Actually, just need to spray the thingy. I just want to leave it like that. I need to spray it right there. I'm not sure if that's mold. I hope it's not. In this corner. And also right there, so it doesn't get rusty. This is a bathroom like we rarely use. And I need to check this bedroom here. That is just vacant. Making sure there are no animals, they can creep in here. Oh my goodness, my son, he left everything. Oh my goodness. He was here over when? Oh, over the weekend. And this is his room. And I think he was just looking for particular things from whatever the stuff. And he just left it. He left stuff everywhere. And like I have told him, I am not responsible for his mess anymore. I needed something down here. I needed my hairbrushes. So I have my hairbrushes. This is just a random space that I need to clean up. And I have been cleaning up, okay? Just don't worry how long I have been cleaning up. The mouth has been cleaning up. The actions have not been doing it. That's the difference. You get it? The mouth have been cleaning it up. This is the actual brush I need, actually. Yeah, the mouth have been cleaning up this space. It has cleaned up, I tell you. The things this mouth does all the time, it surprises me. The actions, that's what that makes the difference. So let's say there has been not that much of action, but we need to change and get better as we enter into November. We gotta do better. Just turning off all the lights. Don't you have homework?
Yeah.
You have homework?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So tomorrow is a trash day. And I want to take all the trashes that I have in the house right now. It's literally just a bathroom in the kitchen and some old boxes. I need to start taking the trash out, all of it, in anything that I have that need to go outside. That's what I need to do right now. And call it a day. I don't expect to go outside anymore. So let's put all the trash together and take it outside and take it outside. Oh my gosh. And taking it out. Taking it out. Take it outside. Yo, if you ever get extra bags from Walmart, or to make it as your trash. I don't know, because I use this one as trash. I really buy trash bags. These are my trash bags. I mean, come on, Walmart. Thank you. Sometimes, like when I come back home, I feel like I'm just eating, like eating continuously, like nonstop. It feels like is what can I say? Oh my gosh. And I catch myself most of the time. I'm like, oh my gosh, Sally, ever since you entered the house, it's like you are just eating, eating, and eating, and eating. That is so crazy. Do you guys find yourself doing that? I realize that I do that a whole lot. It's like compensating what I have not been eating, like the entire time I was not in the house. And the moment I get in, it's like a continuous thing until I catch up. I mean, until I realize, oh my God, you've been eating for the last 3 hours. Honestly, it's not funny. Thank God we're still looking good, but now we need to get better for real, because it's now getting in my mind of like this has become a habit, and I'm like, what is making me to eat that continuously? I wasn't like that. What has happened? I'm not stressed out when I get home. I feel like I'm so content. I just don't know. Something happens or has been happening for a while now. Like when I get in the house and I've been out for a minute, all I will be doing is eating and eating. And it's not like eating food. I'm just eating maybe a piece of bread here. I get a cookie here. I'm drinking milk. I'm drinking juices that I don't like that much. I'm just kind of like continuously just eating or drinking, but now I'm catching it. I started catching it like three, about maybe 3 weeks ago, and I'm like, oh no, this is a pattern that is trying to form itself, and you need to stop. And now I just finished eating those fruits, the blueberries, and I'm like, wait a minute, Sally. For 2 hours, you have been eating continuously. Did you even just realize you've been eating 2 hours continuously? I'm like, oh my gosh, I need a better living, and I need to now form a new habit that is not just based on eating all the time. But wow, I am shocked at these small behaviors. I don't know where they have come from, but they need to stop. They just need to stop, like immediately. um and that's something I have to like psychologically now register in my mind, that when I'm feeling the urge of going to the kitchen, or you know I know I will have to practice and put it in here. Don't be eating unnecessary, Sally. Yes, we have to change this habit.